Enough, it was very great on the Sunday morning and it was really inspiring. So basically, you have given the message to all of us on chapter number 5. That is, there is no shortage of success. Chapter number 6, that you should assume control of each and everything. And then the seventh thing is take seven chapter is like the conclusion of that seven chapter is you should take massive action. So very well explained and very well summarized in a very short duration of 10 to 15 minutes times. And it's just a round of applause from my side. So our viewers, so basically in last two sessions, we have covered from chapter number 1 till chapter number 5. And today we have covered chapter number 6. We have moved ahead. Chapter number 6 and 7 we have added to that. So basically, slowly, you might be seeing that we are covering the this particular book, the 10x rule from the author. It's a wonderful message which he is giving. So basically, I will just tell, what all chapters we have covered so far. The first chapter is what is 10x rule. Okay, so it was like where the author told that at two levels you have to apply the 10x rule. One is in your action, whatever the estimate you are doing to achieve any success. So you multiply by 10. So that much effort you have to take. And also the second level is that your thought level. So whatever aim you are putting, whatever target you are setting for yourself, just keep the 10x, 10 times that target. So this is what the 10x is saying. Then the second thing is saying why 10x rule is necessary. And where he is saying in the third chapter, he's saying what is success and why success is important for everybody, at whatever stage you are, for everyone, success is important. In the fourth chapter, he is describing, he's telling about success is your own duty. It's your own obligation, responsibility. You have to succeed for yourself, for your family, for your society, for this country. Whatever level you can succeed, you have to succeed. It's your obligation. And fifth chapter, he is at the same time, he was giving the importance of the success, that why success is important, why it is your duty. The fifth chapter is saying, he is just trying to say that there is no shortage of the success. If someone else has succeeded, that doesn't stop you to succeed further in the same field. You can be more creative and you can do wonders in the same field. Sixth chapter, assume control for everything. So what does this mean? He has added the word assume. So what he is here trying to say is that, okay, in a given situation, definitely, each and every situation will not be in your control, but start assuming that it is in your control. So moment you will switch your thought, your point of view that, okay, I am not in control, to assume that I am in control. So you will try your mind, you yourself will try to find out various options in the same situation. You will try to, he has given one wonderful example, which I just want to I will take 2 minutes of time and I will just quote that example in his life, from his life. So basically, he is saying that one day, wherever he was living in that particular area, quite often there was electricity, there was a shortage of the electricity, and for 2-3 days, there will be no electricity. So what author was saying that in a normal situation, a normal person will just start blaming the situation. You will start blaming the person, that electricity department or that person is not doing a good job. There are a lot of outages due to electricity power cut, and they will say that this city is not good to live, so I will go to another city. So here, what the normal person will do, will start blaming the another person. He will transfer the responsibility to someone else. He will say the situation is not good and I can't succeed in this kind of situation, in the given situation. But here is the catch. Here is what the author is trying to say, that we should change our mentality over here. We should say, yes, agreed, I have paid the bill, electricity bill, though I'm not getting the electricity for this coming 3 years, 3 days or so. But what else I can do? let me take the responsibility. Am I prepared with any backup plan? Do I have the generator? Have I purchased the generator? Yes, generator might be costly, but it is not costly compared to the 3 days outages, which is frequently happening and which is stopping me to succeed. So if I consider that, then buying the generator is a viable solution for a longer term, which will help me to succeed. So this is how our thought process will switch, will change once we assume. So here, situation is not in his control. He can't do anything about the electricity. He can't do the frequent outages or earthquake happen in any reason. It is not in his situation. But if we'll assume that no, this is due to me, what else I can do to improve this if the same situation will happen in the next time. So this is what the author is saying to us, giving this message. Assume everything is in your control. Now coming to the seventh chapter, which was very well explained at the message given by Abhinav. That was the 4 degrees of action. The first degree, no action. Okay, electricity, there is a power outage. Do nothing, just like other persons who are doing in that same situation, just sit quietly, drink water, eat food, and go to bed and do nothing. So 3 days you will lose because of that. So there is no action. In second degree, the normal people, 99% of people, they are doing, they will take the normal action. They'll say, okay, they will assume that, okay, this is a normal thing and we can't do anything. We can just, we will just do the call to the electricity department. We'll just find out what is happening and that's all. We'll just keep the phone and we'll do nothing. So this is the second degree of action. Then coming to the third degree of action, where people will try to do something. They will go to, maybe they will go to the office. They will meet some higher authority people in the electricity department. They will gather the people. But this is also, the author is saying, this is also third degree of action. The fourth degree of action, where author is saying, take massive action. So in the same situation of the electricity outages, what is the massive action? Find the alternate solution. Do whatever you can do. Find whether any backup plan is there. Buy the generator. If it is costly, collect the money with the society. Okay, you can buy the common generator for the entire society. So these are the massive action for the same situation. The 99% of people, they will fail, but only the 1% people, they think differently. In the same situation, they will find the solution and they will become winner instead of victim. So this is what the 7th chapter, which we have covered in our 3rd session related to 10x rule book. And we would like to end it over here. And I would like to thanks everybody. Thanks Abhinav for joining and giving such a wonderful message from this book. Thank you.